test the sound and the stream. Okay, let's test the sound and the stream. Everything seems to be working fine. Good morning to everyone. It's Friday morning. Yeah, I have to start work very soon, so it would be a short video. I wanted to speak about Bitcoin, what is happening in Bitcoin. Now, let's start from the weekly. So, as I was saying a few days ago, we might be headed for a rejection. So this momentum started to come down on the weekly and here on the money fall. So this might be multi-week trend, good for a swing position, for a swing short. So I was hunting for a swing short, but I couldn't find good entries. Actually, should have shorted right here from the daily at 30.5k. This was the perfect swing short entry, but we have to keep in mind that we might be going to the downside more than expected, more than a lot of bullish players and sentiment is expecting right now. So on the 4 hour it looks bullish. Why? Because we have divergence on the momentum. However, this is like the only divergence, bullish divergence on the momentum. On the money flow we are still going down, so there is no, so this is like some kind of weak semi bullish indicator, because momentum, yes, we have divergence, but money flow we don't have, so it's not so strong signal. Now I want to see the 2 hour. The 2 hour is also bullish, like we have bullish divergence between these two waves, like the price going down and the oscillator going up. This shows that soon we will have some upside. However, the price is still not taking into account this bullish divergence, and it continues down. I think there might be some pop up a little bit, I think to 28,800 maybe, and then we'll see. So if I go see the lower time frames, there might be also continuation to the downside. So if the 45-minute actually continues down here, it will be another wave to the downside on the 45-minute. So also the money flow is quite thick in the red, so there might be some more downside. We should expect more downside, at least on 45 and 30 minutes, these time frames. But when I go to the 2 hour and 3 hour, we see that actually we have divergence starting. So yeah, we have to be careful as always. Now seeing this money flow on the 15-minute, it seems to me that yeah, momentum is speaking to the upside and money flow also a little bit, so we might have some upside, as I said, maybe 28,800, and then we'll see what will happen, if we get rejected again or if we continue. On the Ichimoku quote, let's see what we have on the daily. So we were on the upper band of the Bollinger, and I was saying that we might go down a little bit to retest this area. It was previous resistance, now it's support at 28k or 27.9. So we're backtesting this right now, and if it is successful backtest, we might be start going up on the daily. We might get supported by the cloud. The cloud is right here, so we might fall even more to 27k and then get supported by the cloud and start pumping again. So this is on the daily, very high time frame. On the 6 hour, this is bearish, that we are breaking the Ichimoku quote to the downside. We might retest it at 29. We might retest the Tenkan-sen, line, which is the main line of the Ichimoku quote, at 200 or 100, and started going down. So we'll see. As I said, I'm looking at this level. Maybe it's good idea to have a long scalp to this level, but have in mind that we might just continue down. Yeah, this is also a possibility, so have your stop loss. Now, what we can see on the 30-minute, I think there might be some divergence on the MACD and RSI. Let's see. Relative strength index. So we are below the support here, and even falling down from here, but the RSI looks a little bit bullish to me, to be honest. The RSI looks like we want to pump a little bit from here, so maybe we're going to retest this support. It is shown at 28,700, although this is an area from 28,700 to even from 28,600 to 29,900, and we'll see what happens. If I see the RSI, it's like, I think we should go to 60 or 70 just to and pump the price a little bit. Okay, what we have here, let's reload this. I want to see the funding and the CVD. So the CVD and the funding. I want to see the 30-minute. Yeah, so the funding is really positive. That's a bearish sign. That's not very bullish, to be honest. But the CVD looks like it's just wants to find a little bit of support here. So maybe we pump a little bit, but with this funding, with this positive funding, this is very risky trade, very risky. So if you're doing a long scalp, as me, make sure that you have a tight stop loss, because the funding is very positive, and I'm even considering doing anything here. It just doesn't look good from a funding perspective. And yeah, that's it from my side. Have a happy Friday, and don't forget that there is always two sides of the coin. So I'm trying to get some trades, some percentages based on very small scalps as time frames, but I think I should be looking to trade more on the 4-hour and daily, because they are the money. So if we had shorted this, so everyone here thought that we're going to break out from 30.5k, but actually we had huge bearish divergence on the momentum, on the money flow. So right now we might be dumping, so this might have been the perfect swing short. Have in mind that I think that there might be some small upside coming, as I said, and we'll see what happens. Have a good Friday, as I said, not to repeat myself again. Cheers, bye.